let's cherish this moment. Kasi forever naman mapapanood nyo yan. Pero one time, minsan lang to na nasa harapan natin siya. So let's cherish this moment and savor our experience in real life with Kim Ji-won. There you go.
Yes, I really do want to go eye to eye with all of you then.
Diba? Eye to eye, everybody. So, it's time for us. Ayan na. I promise maganda tong segment na to. It's time for you to completely fill up the profile from the Philippines. Are you ready? Handa ka na ba magsulat? Ready ka na?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, guys. So I don't know if you know the answers to the questions or to the category, but iisa-isahin natin siya. Let us start with the first one. What is your name?
I'm Hongyeon Queens.
Kita ba? Okay.
Yeah.
How's you say?
Just a moment, please.
Just a moment. Okay. Direct. Let me help you. Hindi ba ako manlalamang? Tumutulong lamang. Grabe naman kayo dyan. Pabalik na ako sa opisal. Nagmukha akong panikin sa tabi.
저 지금 약간 조금 심쿵.
Medyo, I got thrilled na umupo si Queen sa tabi ko.
Okay lang. Don't get so flustered. It's just me. I'm just thinking. Don't be too overwhelmed. Pero Grace, nakaka-thank you Lord talaga yung ganito mga moment, diba? Alright, now. Ayan. Ready? Can you try writing your name? Is it working?
Yes.
Yes. Cute. What is your name?
My name is Kim Ji-won. Yes, Kim Ji-won. So I think at this point, we all know her name, right?
Yes!
Meron bang kinakaalam? Ba't ka nandito? Ito naman tayong lahat, no? Alright. So, the second part of the slumbook tawag dun. Second part of our profile is the nickname that was given to you by your fans. What was that nickname?
팬들이 불러주시는 애칭은 제가 알기로는 김팅.
The nickname na binigay sa akin ng mga fans ko, as I know, is Kim Ding.
Yes, Kim Ding. Parang very cringy, ma. So, why was it, well, we would like to know what does Kim Ding mean?
그러니까 한국에서 조금 저를 귀엽게 처음에 불러주실 때 디원이 이렇게 불러주시다가 디원 딩딩.
When the fans were calling me in Korea, "Pakpa cute," they used to call me like Kim T1, and that it actually evolved to being Kim Ding.
Kim Dimon, Kim Ding. Sabay-sabay nga tayo. Kim Ding! Do you want to have a nickname also from the Philippines? We have weird nicknames here. Baby, like that. Baby! Also, baby is a real name in the Philippines. Baby, like baby, Ajuma, baby. Yes, it's a real name. Sometimes your auntie is baby.